As We Are is a unique, one-of-a-kind sculpture. This is essentially a 14-foot, three-dimensional head with LED lights around it. The idea is you walk into the booth, you take a three-dimensional picture of your head, and when you step out, your head is displayed on the sculpture. My name is Matthew Mohr, and I'm the artist that envisioned the sculpture behind me. We are in the Columbus Convention Center in the brand new atrium. They just did a renovation on the entire convention center, including a lot of art by local artists. This is included in that collection.
I think for DCL this is an exciting kind of challenge that we took on here. We were looking for an opportunity to display our capabilities and bringing together the technical requirements as well as the programmatic requirements and our ability to build forms and to fuse and merge all of these things into a physical object. So this project really required the full gamut of services and departments that DCL has. We have in-house fabrication that built the prototypes and then ultimately the entire structure that supported this. So how do all these technologies get integrated into this head shape and also the camera booth and everything else that it includes?
We basically built the head in 3 pieces and began piecing it together. I also needed to build and get functioning the entire photo booth so that Tom and Mac could begin to prove out the programming and the touchscreen solutions.
To get the stitched together photo that then wraps around the curved screen, we use a process called photogrammetry. And photogrammetry uses multiple cameras to compose a 3D model of what it is that it is photographing and then paste together accordingly.
The cameras all see each other, and through that spatial arrangement are able to generate essentially a three-dimensional mock-up of your head, to which all 32 camera images are stitched together on the model, and that's really what creates the image map, and that's what creates the three-dimensional illusion.
We sliced the head into 24 layers, which brought us to about 12 feet tall and 24 inches of height at the base. We have 6-inch tall LED cabinets that were placed into those layers, almost like they're set on shelves. And then ultimately with the 3,000 faceted modules that go around the head, it creates a curved faceted contour for the face. It really transcends the technology. As much as it is a technologically sophisticated project, it's an experiential installation. It's something that challenges in an interesting way. It's a piece of art in a public space, but it's very introspective because you're putting yourself on display at that scale.
I envisioned this process, but in working with DCL, the team there helped define that whole interaction. There was a level of expertise, but an incredible level of enthusiasm. They've been fantastic, fantastic company to work with.
I think DCL is perfect for this project because we are inherently artists.
We have what it takes to help you implement your idea, to design it, to engineer it, to fabricate it, to see it all the way through to the end.
We love these projects and we take ownership for them and we look out on their behalf for what we feel is our ultimate goal, which is to deliver the concept that was sent to us and to hopefully exceed everyone's expectations in the process.
My hope is that people interact with the sculpture and they feel energized and they feel challenged and they feel engaged. I think a lot of people are just going to enjoy having their picture up on a giant head. I think it'll be a lot of fun for a lot of people.